we're going to move on to task updates and collaboration, right? So over here, task update, meaning that if I am the person who are assigned, to here, okay? Now let me just assign right over here. Now if I assign here, and all we need is that I'll just move this. So when I start move here, I just go in here and move this is to in progress, right? Now, if I have all this problem, then I can put my comments over here, whatever my problem, right, I'm facing, okay? So that my team will be able to come back and see it. Now, all team members can come back and write the comments right over here so that you basically have a log, right? So now you see I'm right over here, okay? Now you want to add tasks, you can continue to do that. So this is in the planning phase. Now if I start doing, I can just move it right over here. So it is very simple, right? Now, basically this one is good for collaboration because everyone can come in and see this board. Yeah. Now the last part is how do you going to manage it if you are the supervisor or project manager, right? So I'm going to show you how, right? Here you can see there are different views. Here is a grid view. This is normal, right? Just like a listing, yeah, of who assigned, start date, end date, and so on. Now I prefer to look at this. This is a Kanban board, right? You can see in one glance that what are the things that is already doing, right? Not in planning phase, okay? And the last part is that already done under check and act, right? Check and act basically means that you already done the work. We check whether you meet your objective. If not, what is the plan B, right? So this is a check and act phase. And schedule, of course, you can see all the deadlines right over here. And this is my favorite. The chart is a dashboard, right? Now, if you see this right over here, you know that there are 2 tasks in progress right over here. And there's one here in phase 3, okay? Basically, this is already lit when it's in red. Now here you can see the priority. If you set the priority like urgent, important, because I didn't set it, so it's all here. And you can see that the blue is in progress. This is not started. And this is late. All right. Now, because on your screen here, you can see all the faces right over here. Yeah. So now, members, you can see who is doing what. You have all the members. Yeah. And anyone not doing their job is not started yet. You see. So you can see all this in one glance. Now, the beauty is today, the planner is linked to Microsoft To Do, right? And Microsoft is doing a lot of new so-called enhancement on this. And if you can see right over here, the planner. So you go to the planner page, yeah? Like my day is basically the task that comes out from my Microsoft To Do as well as my Microsoft Planner. Now you can see my task over here, yeah? Now, I don't have anything right over here. Let me go back to just now page. Okay. All right. Go back here, project ABC. And then let me, okay, assign this, right? Let me assign this to myself. So, and we go back to the planner. You can see it is here. Automatically, it is updated right over here. Every day, I will just come over here and then I will check on this, yeah? Now, you see here, I can add, if I want to do this task today, I can add it to my day. So if you go to my day, you see there's only like a few tasks. These are my personal tasks from my to-do list, okay, Microsoft To Do. So here, if I were to add this, add to my day, and we go here, you can see that it will come right over here. So this is the focus thing that I am going to do, right, for today. Now, let's get back to the Teams project ABC. So basically from here, it is easy for you to manage your work tasks. And you can see right over here, you can move this around, move this back and forth if you want. And then let's say, for example, if this is already done, okay, all you need is just go and here complete, and it's done. Okay, so when it's done, then look at the charts. You see the red one just disappeared. I will give you a good glance of how to use Microsoft Planner inside your Teams, because this is very powerful that you can use this to work with your teams together and improve your work productivity. So if you're a manager, this is even more important. Yeah. So use this to track your project and then help your team to meet your objectives. So by the way, I'm Andrew. If you like this type of video, do share and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any question, do leave in the comment below. I'll try to do another video, right, to help you to solve your problem in regards to Microsoft Planner. So meanwhile, check out some of these videos that I created earlier. I see you real soon in my next video.